Drink. It's a drinking video. Every time Mean drinks, everybody drinks. Okay. I'm gonna get a shot of you for the blooper reel. Drink.
Hello! Today we're going to make a different version of beef caldereta. We're going to make beef caldereta chili, kind of like an American chili, but beef caldereta, which would be good for pulutan, which means the dish that you can eat while drinking alcohol. Oh, while drinking alcohol.
Or drink alcohol, then make the chili.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to heat oil in a Dutch oven or a big pot. And we're going to set the temperature to moderately high until it gets hot enough for us to add our ingredients. Okay, we're going to add the oil, canola oil, or whatever oil you want to use, until the pot begins to shimmer, which is right now. Next, we're going to add the onion. Red bell pepper. Garlic. Some shrimp paste or bagoong. Red pepper flakes. We're going to cook this until everything is translucent. Well, not everything. We're going to cook this until the onion is translucent, about 3 to 5 minutes.
Get a shot of you for the blooper reel. Drink.
Okay. Now we're going to add 2 pounds of beef. I know I didn't mention before how much of the other ingredients I added. It will be in the description below. Okay, we're going to add the ground beef. It's ground beef. And we're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's no longer pink. A lot of ground beef. And of course, we're going to scrape, or we're not going to deglaze yet. We're going to scrape the bottom of the pan for anything that sticks under there. Okay, the ground beef is no longer pink. Now we're going to stir in salt, black pepper, chili powder, paprika, cumin, and cayenne pepper. We're going to cook this for about 1 minute until it's fragrant. Actually, you don't even have to wait till it's fragrant. It's already fragrant now. It's very potent, the smell. And we're going to stir that in. It looks good.
It smells delicious. Yeah, we need smell-o-vision. The smell-o-vision will make you want to eat this.
Alright. I think it's stirred in. It's gonna be good. This is gonna go good with my drink later.
More drinks!
Garçon, more drinks. Next, we're going to pour in the beer. We use Corona. Is it Corona Light? No, it's Corona. Regular Corona.
It's the only pale lager we have.
Or any pale lager that you have available. Could also be, I think San Miguel beer is also a pale lager.
We're
gonna add that.
Definitely.
I'm gonna get a shot of you for the blooper reel. Drink!
And we're also going to add fire roasted tomatoes. 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes.
Which are hard to find.
I guess so.
We have sometimes.
Sometimes. Sometimes they're hard to find, but I'm sure they're readily available. I mean,
Usually.
A lot of recipes call for fire roasted tomatoes, but when we see them in the grocery store, we always try to pick up a few cans. And we're gonna stir this to combine, right? And then while we're doing this, we're going to deglaze the bottom or scrape the bottom of the pan for anything that's stuck under there or crusted up. Crusted.
It's a technical term.
That's the technical term. It's crusty. You're scraping. Ooh, that's crusty. All right. So we're going to do that for a while. Now we're going to add a can of tomato sauce in a food processor. Tell you why in a little bit. And 1 can of liver spread. Yikes, sorry, that's kind of weird.
I'm gonna cut this part out. What are your favorite can of Alpo?
No, it's not Alpo. Liver spread, or we Filipinos like Reno liver spread. It's so good. You have to eat it with pandesal, right?
Eight.
Okay. Now we're gonna blend this. Now we're gonna blend this until combined. So it's nice and smooth. All right, I think that's good. Ooh, that's good. Now we're going to add this mixture that we made. Ooh. We're going to stir this into the pot. The chili pot. Ooh. And we're going to stir this into our mixture, to our chili mixture. Those combine. Ooh, that looks good.
I'm gonna get a shot of you for the blooper reel. Drink!
Yeah, someone took a drink.
Did you hear that? Someone took a drink.
Wow.
It's not ready yet. And, keep deglazing the pan for any brown bits at the bottom or the crunchy stuff.
You can't see the bottom, so how do you know?
But you can feel it, the crunchy stuff, when you're stirring around. Seems to be good. Okay, everything's combined now. We're going to bring it to a boil.
A few moments later.
The chili is boiling, and now we're going to turn it on low and simmer it uncovered for 30 minutes.
Be back soon.
We'll be back in 30 minutes.
Eventually.
Alright.
going to harvest some cilantro for our garnish from my indoor herb garden. You can see, you want to show them? I have some wheatgrass here for smoothies, parsley, cilantro, oregano, yeah, I like to touch them, thyme, lemon basil, more wheatgrass for smoothies, and baby greens, which are also going to be used for smoothies. Okay, just going to snip some of the, actually, let's snip some of these off, and the rest of them should just grow, the little baby ones. We're going to trim most of the longer ones that we have here, and we're gonna let this tiny baby ones grow. Yay! I think that should be enough.
Perfect.
For one bowl. Now we're gonna harvest some chives for our other garnish. See how big it is? It's going to give them a little haircut to get what we need. And it's just gonna grow back. I think this is enough.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. Okay. That's good. Nice little haircut. Smells good. Smells like chives.
I'm gonna shot of you for the blooper reel. Drink.
It's been 30 minutes. Now we're going to taste the chili. I have a spoon. I'm going to taste it. Dan, do you want to taste it?
Oh my gosh. All right, yeah, I need to.
Come on.
I gotta try this. No.
We can use the same spoon, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
I think it's good.
It smells great. I'll bet it needs more spice. Is it hot? Spicy hot?
It's good. It's enough.
Mmm. That is perfect. Perfect.
Yay.
Not too hot, not too spicy. That is a perfect spice blend.
But if you want a spicier chili, you can add more cayenne pepper. And if the chili isn't thick enough for you, you can add more beer.
No, if it's too thick.
If it's too thick?
If it's too thick, you add more beer.
If the chili is too thick for you, you can thin it by adding more beer.
Yum.
Now we're going to serve this with, we're going to garnish it with cilantro and chives and a little bit of edam cheese. And you can also serve it with a side of tortilla chips to go with your drink. And here is our final product. The Caldereta chilies served with a side of tortilla chips to go with your drink. Okay, you can also choose to use French fries or tater tots, which I think would be really delicious. If you enjoyed watching us make this recipe, the ingredients and instructions are going to be in the description box down below. Come back again next Sunday for another Filipino dish, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to set the... Oh no, no.
No, we're not.
Okay, cut. You can cut this one now if you want. Or
Oh, look at
keep
you. Now
going.
you're directing too?
Yes. Director Neen.
Written, produced, and directed by me.
That is right.
Stock up on that.
Stock up.
I don't need this, do I? Oh, golly.
Should we do pause?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Ta-da. Oh, wait. Again. Let's do it again.
Uncovered.
Let's do it again. I know, I missed it.
Yep.
Now the chili. Now we're going to taste the chili. Well, no. I can what? No. What did I say? I'll do it again. What did I say? No. God dang it.
More drinks. Not fair. That's more. Not fair. The struggle. No.
Aha! I did it. Okay, that's it. Okay. Cut.
Oh. Good, because I did not record. Okay, there we go. All right.
So good.
Drink.